Please leave a like if you really enjoyed this video. It really helps my channel, and please consider subscribing.
Good morning, my neighbors. Baby, you're supposed to give the response. Hi guys, so good morning. I decided to vlog today because I'm making something I like to eat, which is, you see it when I'm making it. But my baby came back. I'm so excited. I missed him so much. Yeah, this lighting is better. I missed him so much, and I want to make him that to show him how much I missed him. He likes it a lot too, so that's the agenda today. This vlog might be a short one because after that I don't think there's any other interesting thing I'll be doing other than just lounging around with him and just relaxing. I'll go and watch the place we used to have breakfast.
No, that's my job.
You said you were going to wash it, but you...
I'm going to chill now. Didn't you all sleep off?
And let me wash it now. You know that kind of eating that you, after you finish eating, you sleep in the morning. It's like, baby, stop, I'll wash it. Come say hi to my vlog. No. You won't? I'll show your bum bum.
Stop using my...
Your what? Your bride price. I've already paid for it.
I can't believe that I hate washing things before.
I think it's easier though, but just the fact that you can't scrape it out, yeah? So I'm currently in the kitchen and I want to tell you guys about the recipe I was going to make. It's called the shrimp fried rice. It's just shrimp and rice with egg, like Chinese fried rice kind of steps. Well, when I make it you'll see. But for today's recipe I want to try and put like pineapple juice, just a bit of it. I don't know how I'm going to achieve that. I want pineapple tinge in it, so I'll figure it out. Probably I'm gonna have to manually like extract the juice or blend it. I don't know. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it, like from start to finish. I bought some tomatoes and I'm trying to dry them up so that they don't spoil. If you're Nigerian, you know what I'm doing. I've had my shower right now and I'm going to start cooking. I've not really done a vlog cooking. The last one I didn't really do so well, so I was discouraged to do it, but I'm going to try today to see. Can you see me? My assistant came visiting, so she's going to help me.
A few moments later.
If you let me hear you say my name, my name. If you let me hear you, babe. 'Cause I wonder if you feel the same, same. Or just tell me if you feel the same. You don't need to hesitate, oh babe. Now is that but too late? I think we're soulmates. Let's find a way to start again, oh yeah. 'Cause I wanna work things out.
I put my chicken on fire and I'm going to be putting my rice now inside the water. I don't think it makes sense to always parboil rice that's already written parboiled. I don't know why people like to still parboil it twice. So what I'm going to do is wash it with cold water and then put it in the water and start to spice it. But what I'm trying to make, I saw online somewhere that someone put the pineapples while the rice was boiling, so the two of them kind of married together. So I'll still leave the pineapples cut chunky and just put it into the water while I spice, because at this stage I'm going to put in a lot of things that will make the rice taste, because after this it's just a stir fry rice. So
I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me.
I do not like to dye stuff, but I like them in my food, so that's what Esther is helping me do. Why do you look so serious?
Everything will be okay, 'cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah, I'm completely satisfied, right, as long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you, babe. Alright, I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me.
I love my food really spicy, in case you're wondering about all the spices that I'm adding. But after this, I don't usually use salt, I just spice it. The other things I'll be stir frying will be bland, there will be no spice in it. So I'm hoping that this thing I'm doing with the pineapple will actually bring out the flavor into the rice for me. So the chicken is ready. I put in a bit of pepper, I didn't show that. I'm going to go ahead and fry this and make the sauce for it.
Just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me. With me. I can be the one to turn your life around. Never let you down, so please let me hear you say my name.
For the sauce I'm going to be making, you need mostly fresh pepper. If you like spicy stuff, it's mostly just fresh pepper, soy sauce, a bit of tomato sauce, and that's just it with oil. So I'll make that now really quickly.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore.
So these are my eggs. Eggs are so expensive right now. One was 16 naira, I think.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left there too. The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it. We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
What's the music? So, Mr. Mokwa,
Yeah,
how do you love your dinner? He hasn't even tasted it though.
haven't. But from history, I know it's
Ah, so history suggests that.
your shrimp rice is the best.
Say that again, please.
Your shrimp rice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Anyone I want to challenge, then come. This looks really nice.
Thank you, baby. Wait, baby. Wait, I want to give you something especially. So, let me move this here. Pour us our drink, baby. I hope I'm very okay for you too.
Yeah, titty sure, yeah.
We made this kind of like an in-house date night, like last minute.
I'm dressed up. I am not. I don't. This is not me.
I dressed up for him too. I hope I can show you guys most of it, but
You can't see that. But she looks incredible.
okay, so my mom tells me that the gizzard of the chicken is reserved for the head of the house.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like I think like
It's tradition.
yeah, tradition. So
In certain parts of the East.
the East, yeah. How does it taste, baby? Wait, let me go and wear a sweater so that I'll show that.
King of spice.
Show that I'm not. You can talk to the camera.
Best cook in the world. Bar none. I'm sure I eat some hungry. Best shrimp rice ever.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around.
Yeah, I'm recording. Let him record. I'm going to ask him what he felt at this time that he's almost half done. What taste can you tell? Can you tell any like newer taste from the last shrimps you had from me? Can you like, does it feel that it tastes different?
I don't think so. Maybe I'm terrible at tasting. But I don't.
Like
So taste
gently
shrimp,
calm down,
eggs.
just taste like the subtle feeling at the end. Take a swallow, you're swallowing now. And just
I'll
gently.
do some chicken.
Don't chew again. Taste it. There's an extra taste. you're missing.
I honestly don't know.
Terrible.
I'm just saying I can taste chicken.
And you too, it's chicken and taste. Eat another one.
Oh.
Right now, your life
Let
is
me
on the
clean
line.
my palate.
Oshay, what's your palate? see that you're actually trying now. I'm gonna distract your intense focus.
I'm trying to figure out the taste.
You taste pineapple. The last sweet taste.
It's
on
like
your
an
teeth.
after.
Yeah. That's what I was waiting for you to taste.
I'm terrible at taste.
It was the last sweet taste on the tooth. I like the tongue. Like
How
the
did
last,
you put that?
the last
Raw
taste.
tomato, raw pineapple.
I'm not going to tell you my secrets. Come watch my video. So sign out my vlog. Since today on today's episode.
Thank you for coming to the end of my vlog. Please leave a like if you really enjoyed this video. It really helps my channel. And please consider subscribing. I love you guys.
You're rude.
I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. That's sign out. People pay me for that.
No one pays. It's not in your head. If I follow this guy, we're not going to end this
People
vlog
pay
today.
me to do that.
Thank you so much for watching my boring cooking in a day video. So how I reheated the food because I finished cooking around 5-6. Yeah, I finished cooking around 5-6, but we didn't have dinner till like to 8. So it has gotten cold. What I do to warm it up was to put it in like another. Take it from the pot. Sorry, baby. Bless you, baby. What I do to warm it up, you just put it in like a frying pan from the main pot that you guys saw in the last clip, and then I put it in the frying pan and then I stir it, you know, reheat it that way. I didn't put any extra oil. The oil that solidified will kind of melt again. Babe, should I bring more? There's still more. There's no more. There's no more actually.
No more? Are you serious?
There's more that is not warm.
Okay, don't worry.
Should I want more?
No.
Are you sure, baby?
Yeah.
Promise? Bye, my love. Please. I can go.
The food don't finish.
I can. Why are you changing to pigeon?
I have to.
I'm going to see all you lovely butterflies in my next YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching till now. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a butterfly with your
And leave a plate of food also next to it. That was for me.
Yeah, that if you found, like, I would like you to try out this recipe as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Like what I showed
And
in the video.
Tag how.
Try it out. Like, we tried out something and there's this after sweet taste that it's having that it's not had before.
Yeah, it says pineapple,
Yeah, I put the raw pineapple and boiled it with the rice. I feel like if I even boiled it with the water first, then put in the rice, like the taste would have even been there stronger. But then it's
subtle.
I mean, you've seen the video, guys. So, also.